All right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to set up or add a video to your Google Slide presentation. So we have two options. One is a video that's in your Google Drive, and the other is a video that's on YouTube. Very easy process here. All we need to do is inside of the presentation, go to Insert, and then select Video. And here we can either type in or search a video on YouTube, or go to our drive and add a video from here. So if I go to drive, let's just choose one of these here, insert, and then you can resize it based on your needs. Obviously this is definitely distorting the video, so probably would not want to do that. Let's try that again. Video, insert here, and then hit, if I'm holding the shift button, you can resize it, and it will keep its ratio, which is pretty important. And then we can just move it wherever we need it to go. That is a video on Drive. If we're going to do a video on YouTube, we'll go to the YouTube tab, and I have a video, so I'm just going to hit paste. So, here's a video that I've done previously. So we'll do paste and hit enter. And here's the video. So select it again and then hit insert. And this time, if I grab it, it's going to resize automatically. Now over here in the format options, you have all of the controls. So you can have it start at a specific time inside of the video. You can have it mute the audio. You can choose when it's going to play. Is it going to play on click? Is it going to play automatically? Or is it going to play manually? We have the size, we have the position, drop shadow, and alt text if we need it. For this specific video. Now, if we add a video from our drive, we're still going to have the same formatting options over here that we can tinker with until we get it just right. And then just like the previous video, if we just grab it, click and hold, we can position it wherever we want, or we can use this position button here to, did that center it? I don't know if that's centered, but yeah, that's not working. That's weird. So there's a lot of options there that we can play with. So pretty simple video, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, if you can, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.